Hey, welcome. It's Chris from the Hive, and we got another segment of Trash to Treasure. So, do you have an idea what this could be? You're going to take an ordinary soup can and make it fabulous. So, I have big cans, like I have a lunch lady friend, and she got me some big cans. And so, we have big cans and regular vegetable and soup cans, and you're going to peel the label off and the goo that holds the label on the best you can, and start painting it whatever color you desire. Today I chose to do a whole bunch in this antique white. So it's just kind of a creamy white, and it is just the acrylic craft paint. So you're going to paint about 3 layers I have found to get great coverage. And then, hey, did you see that? That is a pool noodle that I took and cut in half, and then just duct taped it together. I use these when I etch glass. It holds my glasses perfectly, so I thought I'd get them out and see if I keep my can from rolling away, and it worked great. So I just cut a pool noodle in half and then duct taped them in the center. So I also got these decals. I'll share the link. They are off of Amazon, and again, I got decals earlier this summer and I loved them. I like them so much better than decoupage. They are just rub-on transfers, and they take to the cans and to the paint very nicely. I also, sometimes the paint will peel off when I remove the top transfer tape, and that's okay because I'm kind of more that the country look. So we're just going to burnish them on. It doesn't take a lot of pressure. It doesn't take much. And try not to get onto the clear tape that is outside of the decal. So if you want the more defined lines, take your tool and rub in there like I'm doing here. Otherwise, just press it on and peel off the top layer of the transfer tape. This bunch of transfers, I think there is like 11, maybe 12 sheets, and there's several transfers on a sheet. I got a lot. So once you get that pressed on well enough, and again, it doesn't take much. I'm probably a little overdoing it. And then just peel that clear top layer of clear, I'm going to call it transfer tape, off. And you'll see where the transfer tape has picked up a little bit of lines. If it starts to pick up the decal, just push it back down and rub over it a little bit more and to get it to stick to your surface. But generally this sticks really good. If it does peel off some of that paint underneath, you can touch it up. But again, I kind of like the look, and I have gone over it before with like stain, but I'm going to actually take a little bit of sandpaper and rough up some more edges around it instead of doing any kind of touch up or anything like that. And I like the look of that as well. So I just have a little bit heavier grit of sandpaper, and I'm just going to rough up just like it was meant to be there. Also, when you're doing this on your can, just make sure you get the seam of the can in the back. Next, I am going to get some styrofoam in there, and we are going to fill it up with some artificial greens. Now, if you don't want to do artificial and you have fresh that you can go clip from your trees, you can put some Oasis in there if you want the stability of the foam. Otherwise, you can just use it as a vase. I mean, obviously it was a can. It held your vegetables with liquid, so you could just use it as a vase. So we're going to get this done, and I'm going to show you how to wire a pine cone, so then you can have a wire to extend it and hold it in place. So grab a pine cone and some floral wire. And what we're going to do is we're going to take that wire, and underneath the bottom cone part, the bottom pieces of those pine petals, and we're just going to wrap it in that bottom piece and then do a twisty tie. And then I'm going to tape my wires together just so they don't like flare when I try to poke them into the foam. So I'm going to add 3 pine cones, and then we're going to call it done. And it's just going to be a cute little accent to sit on an entry table or wherever you'd like to place it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please comment, like, and share it. Of course, it helps our channel. And stay tuned for the next video, because we're going to take an Amazon package and make it a pocket for artificial flowers.